I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told 'em all.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
All right. I'm gonna leave it right here for you.
All right.
What you running here?
4 DC XL12.
Mike down. Yes, sir. DJ Paul and Juicy J Productions. Shield. Mike down. Swisher House. Mike Jones. Yeah. Hypnotize Mind.
She's gonna be sick sealed off. Oh yeah, she's gonna be sick sealed off.
Next time you see me, she will be.
Where can I find you on social media? Are you online anywhere?
I'm not on our team page, Team Mayhem.
Okay, I'll tag Team Mayhem. It was good seeing you. Thank you.
Thank you.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.